Hello everybody. Happy Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. So here I am fixing my meals. Well, my one meal for the day anyways. I just made some southern sausage and then some beef crumbles. Let me show you. I got this from Sprouts and it was $10. I don't know if it's worth the $10, but you don't need to throw it. So that's one of the good things about it, and it's not bad. In this right here, I did put in the food processor some peppers and onions. I like to use red peppers. I use just a little bit of this marinara. It's kind of salty to me, so I don't really care for it, but Royale's is the best, and you don't have to doctor it up. I put a little bit of this cheese in here. I love this Italian blend. And then my salt. This is the best salt that you want to get. You can find this in any store. I think Walmart's even sell Redmond's. But if you have a Sprouts, all of that, I put a little of this. I love that. And this. Seasoned it up. And now it's all done. With this, you can make stuffed peppers. You can make taco bowls. You can, if you eat pasta, you of course can put this over any pasta. Cauliflower rice, if you are keto or low carb. Regular rice, you know, you just have to, there's certain rices that they say you can go with that don't spike the blood sugar, like black rice, wild rice, things like that. But if you just macro counting, or you know, you're only eating a little bit per day, I don't see it being a problem. You can put it over your rice. It's a lot of things you can do with this meat mixture. And so I'm making some stuffed peppers, and then I probably just eat a little bit just to have something on my stomach. I leave for my Pilates in an hour. The class is at 3:30, so I am going to eat a little something. I do have a keto chow that I'm going to drink, but I'll come back to you once everything is done and finished. So here I am, I'm making stuffed peppers. So I cut the tops off of my peppers. I'm not going to use this, I just want to I'm going to throw it away. You can use them as aesthetics. You can cut a hole in it, take this off. Or if you don't want to use the top, just cut the good pepper part off and mix it in with your mixture. I already used one whole pepper in my mixture, so those are just going to get thrown away. In here, I have 1.5 cups of the meat mixture with 1/2 cup of some Spanish rice that I got from Trader Joe's. So let me stuff these. So here's my stuffed peppers. I'm going to just put some aluminum foil over this. I'll put it in the microwave, you know, just for it to sit. And this will be my dinner tonight. You know, one of them anyway with the salad. And yeah, and so that mix that I had, the 1.5 cups of meat mixture with a half with a I think it's a cup? A cup of the rice, or was it a half? No, it was a 1/2 cup of the rice, 1/2 cup and a little bit of the rice. I had to stuff this in there, but this could have easily made 3 peppers. So yeah, so this will be my dinner for later. One of them, my son wants one, he can have one. If he don't, he figures what he want to have, he can cook. And let me show you what I'm having now to break my fast. It is now, it's 1:43. So I just took 1 cup of the meat mixture. That's it. And then I have my keto chow. This is birthday cake. Again, if you watching this, go to my playlist. It'll say intermittent fasting, weight loss recipes, and you will find everything about keto chow and everything else that I use for healthy eating. I do have my Pilates start at 3:30, so I need to go ahead and eat this so my food will digest for the most part, and we're gonna go from there. So I'll come back later with dinner. Peace. Hello again, everybody. Hope everybody had a great Tuesday as we on to hump day tomorrow, the middle of the week. So I came back. I just put my pepper in the air fryer. And then I made me a salad. This salad is the Southwest salad at Trader Joe's. This is my favorite salad from them. So I have a whole pepper here that is stuffed with ground beef, southern sausage, sweet sausage, and some Spanish rice I got from Trader Joe's. I made 2 peppers and stuffed it with a cup and a half of the meat mixture with a half a cup of the rice, and that was split between 2 peppers. So that's what I have here. And then for my sugar cravings, I got me a mango. So I will see y'all tomorrow. Oh, and earlier I did not eat. I just didn't want to eat. I was trying to see if I could just put something on my stomach before I work out, because the workout class was at 3:30, and I took a couple of spoonfuls of the meat, and then I didn't want any more, and I drank 2 sips or so of the keto chow, and I didn't want any more, so I just put it in the refrigerator. I was fine. When I came home, I actually left Pilates, which was a grueling day on the upper body and the lower body. Pilates is a full body workout, and I go every day. But I will say I'm getting stronger. I was able to balance myself without using the pole on the reformer. So I was happy about that. And today, after I left Pilates, I went and walked 2 laps around the track at the high school. And so that's how I finished my day. I want to say about 2 hours or so, hour and a half after I was in, I did go back and get a little bit of the meat sauce. And I ate that until I was ready to eat. Now, what time is it? It's 10:52 p.m. So I'm up late sometimes, so I normally will eat late, but it's all good. So I will catch up with y'all tomorrow. That was basically my day. And on to Wednesday. Good night. Peace. Good morning. Give me a thumbs up on the way in. Hey, everybody. Happy Wednesday. So I am breaking my fast, but before I get into that, let me introduce myself to those that are new. Welcome. My name is LashawnTerry. Have a seat. Click that subscribe button, but most important, give me that thumbs up on the way in, please. Please. And click that notification bell so you'll know when I upload. So I am doing this 75 soft challenge. I am in week 2. I had an early Pilates class, which I actually like because I can go get my workout done, come back, and I'm free for the rest of the day. So this is what I'm having today. I got 4 pieces of avocado toast here. I made my own guacamole, and then I browned some tomatoes. These are heirloom tomatoes. Some of them have mozzarella on them. I know these 2. I think this one just have 1 small piece with some onion, and then this one I made a egg over easy, and I did toast. This is sourdough bread. I did toast them in the oven with some butter on top. And so this should keep me good until dinner time. I think I'm going to make some What am I gonna make? Some salmon cakes, but we'll see. Y'all know how I get. Sometimes I just get lazy, and I got food in there that I can that's already cooked. So if I don't feel like it, I just eat what's in the refrigerator that I cooked yesterday. So that is it for right now. Hope y'all are enjoying my videos. And oh, I also did a homemade glaze sauce as well. So that's what you see. The brown is a homemade glaze sauce on those. So I'll be back later, y'all. Peace.